Hey guys, it's G from PrintZebra, and today we're going to be unboxing my new 16 by 24 inch heat press. Let's go. Here's the big box. Okay, it's a 16 by 24 inch heat press. Let's see if we can get this bad boy open. Let me get these labels off. Okay, that's good. Now, as y'all see, this is a big boy, stupid heavy. It was 154 pounds, so it's not gonna be your average unboxing. Gotta be careful where we cut this at, because even these straps are taped because it was shipping far from China. Okay, got the top open. Automatically, what do I see? Got this big piece styrofoam. We see some black marks right there. We don't know what that's from. Probably machine oil. Oh my goodness. Wow. This heat press is huge. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the rest of the box open, and then we're gonna see how we're gonna get this out. This is huge. Wow. 154 pounds is the shipping weight. And as you see, it ain't nothing in there but this big boy. So we're gonna have to move all this stuff out. Be right back. If you're interested in a heat press this big, I will leave a link in the description. They got it to me pretty quick, and I requested that they didn't put any logos. And they built the exact type of style that I wanted. If you guys could tell, I was going for a Hot-Tronic style heat press. Hopefully it will get the job done. And we're gonna put it to the test today. Over here, we have the digital screen, and it's locked up still with these ties. Only thing that came in the heat press was this big boy. See? You can see this with me. Razor coming at the camera. Yeah. We peel this off. So I didn't know that this thing was this big. As you see, we have a brand new 16 by 20 heat press. It's a pull-out swing away. Got feet on it, which is great. It had a similar model to this, but I wanted a few tweaks, and it looks like they tweaked the tweaks. Now, I know it's hard to tell on camera, but that is taking up a ton of space, because each one of the studio cushions is a foot. If you can see, it's out 4 feet from the wall. 4 feet from the wall. Now, the width that is out is maybe 1 foot behind it. I left space because it turns, it pulls out. You need a lot of space to have this machine. So, first things first, what came in the box was that big 16 by 24 heat press. It also came with this, the owner's manual. Let's cut it on. As you can see, it got the digital readout display right here. It says that the time is 35 seconds it's set for. Got a counter. It's at 79 degrees. So let's look at the thing and see how we set the temperature. I see the temperature is going up. It says that it's heating, although I don't feel no heat. I just want you guys to see this. This pulls out, this drawer pulls out that far, slides in, slides back. Now see, that doesn't look like much, right? But this swings away like this. So, see, I got the cushion on the wall, which is great. So that swings away like that. Then this drawer pulls out, and you got this whole work area. You don't have nothing in your way. Okay, so it looks like it came with this cover. Oh. Take this cover off. And what do we have here? Got a piece of Teflon. Shiny Teflon. This is like silver Teflon or white? I don't know. Oh, nice black. Okay. Wow, look at that, how big that is, y'all. Imagine pressing on this. How big this is. You gotta go reach all the way over here. Right, let's put your drill back in. All right, and then reach all the way over here. I feel it getting hot, but not hot on the top. You can feel the heat coming from the bottom, which is great. Y'all see these right here on the side? This is the logos that they had to tear off for me. So I'm gonna replace these with my PrintZebra logos. Once again, it's your boy G from PrintZebra. Thanks for watching my unboxing video of my 16 by 24 inch heat press. Peace.